Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Qantas application on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Once you are done, go and open your App Store. As soon as you open up the App Store, go to the search box and type in Qantas and search. Look for this application that says Qantas Airways. The application is a mobile application offered by Qantas Airways, which is Australia's flag carrier airline. The application is designed to enhance the travel experience, and it also provides a range of features and services. To download the application, simply tap the Get button and wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your iPhone. Once it is done, tap on the Open button to open the application on your mobile device. That is how you can easily download Qantas application on your iPhone with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.